Tired of juggling between Aisensy and GoHighLevel? Let's bridge that gap and unlock a streamlined marketing powerhouse by connecting these two platforms. First, log into your GoHighLevel account. Navigate to Settings, usually found at the bottom left corner of your screen. Give that a click. In the Settings menu, find the Integrations tab. It's often listed with other options like Company Profile or Billing. Click on Integrations. Now, hop over to your Aisensy account. Locate your API key. This is your unique identifier that allows GoHighLevel to communicate with Aisensy. It's typically found in the Settings or Profile section of Aisensy. In GoHighLevel, you'll see a dedicated field for the Aisensy API key. Carefully copy and paste the API key from your Aisensy account into this field. Finally, click the Save or Update button. GoHighLevel will then verify the connection. Once verified, you're all set. Aisensy and GoHighLevel are now connected. Congratulations, you've successfully integrated Aisensy with GoHighLevel, opening doors to seamless communication and automated workflows. Start exploring the enhanced marketing capabilities today.